Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous truck. It's a 1951 Chevy 3100. Pretty original, right Mike?
Yeah, it's pretty original.
Straight six, 3 on the tree.
It's Granny 4-speed.
Granny 4-speed, wow, cool.
Yes.
Still retains its 6 or 12 volt?
It's a 12 volt.
12 volt system. So tell us a little bit about it.
We got everything done underneath, new brakes, brake lines. The whole bottom end was done. Exhaust system, radiator, carburetor. Motor was rebuilt. I got about 500 miles on all the work.
Great.
New tires. Put a new mahogany bed in the back.
Love the colors too.
Yeah.
Mahogany with stainless runners?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Heater. I got an old school Bluetooth radio.
The vintage sound?
The vintage old school radio with Bluetooth.
Cool. Love how the interior, the theme goes right to it.
Yeah.
The blue and white, really pretty. How's she run?
Runs great. Every day, starter. Drive it every day. Nice and quiet like a sewing machine.
I know, I love those motors.
Yeah. Pull the choke out. Floor starter.
Very cool. Nice to have the 4-speed too. They always have 3s.
The Granny 4-speeds are.
It's cool.
First gear you can't even use. Second gear you shift out in 5 feet.
Can you fire it up?
Sure. 411 rear in it.
Okay. Nice. Let's check out under the hood.
Sure.
Sounds like a sewing machine.
Yeah, new radiator.
Ah, nice. Tag's still on it. Runs like a top, huh?
Nice machine.
It's like a new starter.
Yeah, new starter. Handle straight. Everything works light.
Awesome. Turnkey, ready to go, huh?
Turnkey.
Can we take it around the block real quick? Oh, and you got speakers in there too, huh?
Yes.
Speakers.
Bluetooth to your phone.
It's like a new speedometer.
Yeah, it's all the gauges are new. All these are all new. And again, 536 miles on all the redo.
Oh, good. Runs like a top, huh?
That's nice and smooth. Yeah, it handles great.
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. And hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.